How long do you need to practice before you become a good communicator? Hi, my name is Akshaya Kaure. I'm a nature and animal communicator, which means I can speak to plants, animals, and other species telepathically. I'm also the only Indian author to have published a book in this topic known as animal communication, and I'm also the only author to have also translated this book in Marathi. So if you're interested in buying my book, you can find the details in my description box below. One of the commonly asked questions by people who have learned animal communication, wish to learn, or who are studying with me is how long does it take for someone to become a good animal communicator? And my simple answer to that is as long as you think you will take to excel the skill. There are no specific timelines to get better at a skill like animal communication, because it's such a beautiful personal journey that each one of us embarks on, that it totally depends upon us how open we are to accepting the wisdom and the messages that come from animal and nature around us, and how trusting we are of these messages that come to us. So the more open and trusting you are, the more you are able to deal with the self-doubt that is an equally important part of everybody's journey, the better you get at the skill. And of course, practice. There is no set rule that you need to practice for these many hours or these many months to get better at the skill. In fact, in a live I did with Josh from Speak Good Human. It's a beautiful website that Josh Cohen has put up. We were doing this live and someone did ask this question, how much do we need to practice? And Josh very nicely explained that would you say this, would you ask the same thing to a child who is learning to speak? Would you think of how much the child needs to speak to pick up a language and to start speaking fluently? No, we would ensure that the child speaks as much as possible to be able to speak fluently. Likewise, telepathy is a language, and as frequently as you speak in the language, you will pick up the fluency, the pronunciations, the enunciations of that language. So there are no fixed rules as to what you need to do to get better. There's also no real definition of better, because it's your own personal journey. So just keep talking, keep practicing, accept the wisdom that comes to you, ask for help from these beautiful elements of nature to help you get better at your skill, and that is more than enough to make you a good communicator. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and found it helpful.